People have no idea this real estate trick even exists. Everyone thinks buying a home is expensive, but that's only true if you buy the wrong kind of home. Instead of renting, you can buy a 2 to 4 unit property, live in one unit, and let the other tenants pay your housing costs. It's called house hacking, and you can get in with as little as 3 to 5% down, or even 0% down if you qualify for a VA loan. But here's where it gets crazy. A house hack on steroids is when you combine this strategy with the renovation loan. That means you can buy a building that needs work, fix it up, and design it exactly the way you want, all rolled into one mortgage. And in most cases, this creates instant equity, lowers your monthly payment, and gives you a house cost way below what the market can charge. This is how people build wealth while everyone else is renting. Follow me for more strategies that help you live for less and build wealth faster.